Hi everyone, in front of me I've got POCO C71 and let me share with you how to activate automatic system updates on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here in this general list we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find About Phone. Then let's scroll down and find Build Number. Keep tapping on it until you'll see that you're in the developer mode and confirm everything with your screen lock. Then let's go back and enter the system. Scroll down again and tap on Developer Options. Here we have to scroll to find Automatic System Updates and tap on the switcher to turn this option on. And from now on, of course, since this option is active, your device will apply the updates whenever it will be restarted. Of course, you can turn this option off just by tapping on the switcher again. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.